The power of saying no, a life-changing habit. There was a time I said yes to everything. Every favor, every request, every invite. I thought I was being kind, helpful, a good person. But what I didn't realize was that I was slowly disappearing. Saying yes all the time didn't make me better. It made me bitter. Until one day, I said a simple word that changed everything. No. I remember the exact moment I realized I couldn't keep doing it. It was a Tuesday. My phone buzzed with yet another request. Can you help me move this weekend? I had plans. I was exhausted, but my fingers hovered over the keyboard, about to type, sure. That's when it hit me. Why am I agreeing to things that cost me my peace? That was the first time. I said no, and the world didn't end. Saying no gave me something I hadn't felt in years. Freedom. Freedom to rest. Freedom to focus. Freedom to choose what truly mattered to me. No became a boundary. Not a rejection of others, but a protection of myself. And slowly, people began to respect it. At first, not everyone liked it. Some called me selfish. Others acted offended. But here's the truth. If someone's love depends on you always saying yes, that's not love. That's control. Saying no helped me find the real ones. The people who respected my time, energy, and growth. Now in my later years, I look back with clarity. Saying no wasn't the end of kindness. It was the beginning of authenticity. So here's my advice to you. Learn to say no without guilt. Your peace is more valuable than someone else's temporary comfort. Because at the end of the day, you don't owe your life to everyone. You owe it to yourself. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more timeless wisdom. Remember, your no can be the most powerful yes to your own life.